It is that time of year, y'all, to be thinking about bringing in your houseplants that have been outside all summer enjoying the nice warm weather. Well, now it's getting colder, and tender plants like this Dieffenbachia have to be carried indoors if we want them to live through the winter. And what do you do before you do that? Well, you need to inspect them really well to get off any little trespassing insects or even frogs. I've carried in tree frogs before, which are kind of nice, but then again, they're kind of bizarro in the house. And you also need to probably clean your pot, get all the algae off, and you need to tip it over. And a lot of times you'll have slugs and pill bugs and other little undesirable critters that will be coming in with the pot. So I'd clean my pot up real good, inspect it to make sure there's no insects or anything like that, and make sure you don't have fire ants, because I have actually brought in fire ants and just didn't know it. So you need to make sure that you inspect the pot for that and take measures to prevent bringing those in.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.